The Adani Group are investing in the transmission line.
Finally, President Ruto ni akorwo cancel deal cia Adani Group kuma bururi wa India, na ni thutha wa pressure area yoka after Adani gutuika ati bururi wa America ni wamunyita na mahitia ma corruption kana ma fraud. No Kenya ni magukoretwo makirakara thutha wa kuigwa uria CS wa Energy Opiyo Wandayi agukoretwo akiuga ati bururi wa Kenya ni uguthie na mbere na deal ciake na Adani thengia wa Adani gukorwo agikuruhanio na mehia marito muno ni bururi wa America, na Kenya ni makorirwo makinegena muno kuona Opiyo Wandayi akorirwo akiaria just a few minutes before President Ruto aigire bunge, both parliament ya Senate na parliament ya National Assembly niguo gukorwo akimake his address, na ni undu wa pressure area korirwo ikiuma kuri a Kenya after ndeto ici gukorwo ikire covered muno ni media cia mabũrũri ma naja na media cia guku bũrũri-inĩ, and also Kenyans makirakario ni ciugo cia Opiyo Wandayi CS wa Energy ati Kenya ni guthie na mbere na deal ciake na Adani thengia wa Adani gukorwo agikuruhanio na mehia maya. President Ruto ni onekana option ni ciathira na agikorwo akira Kenya ni pole muno, na he has cancelled any dealing ya bururi wa Kenya na kambuni uyu wa Adani. Iri statement iria yagitiga a Kenya macanjamukite muno guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria kuona ni makurakarite ni kuigwa Opiyo Wandayi akiuga ati these deals will continue despite reports kuma bururi wa America.
We are proceeding on the basis of the outcome of the very rigorous due diligence. Would this emerging reports in any way affect the delivery of this project? We can't tell. Why? Because they aren't related to this project.